Bisa jadi lancar.
Can you please speak in English? It's already batch 5. Hello. Yep.
Lancar bahasa Inggris apa ya?
Saufa, who are you asking? Let's go.
Lancar aku lupa.
Hmm.
My English conversation is going apa ya? My English conversation apa ya?
Getting better.
Ya,
Okay,
getting
it's
better.
getting better than before. And then,
And
does it helpful enough for your subjects at school?
apa?
For your English subject at school, does it helpful?
Helpful.
Oh yeah, it's helpful. And then what about the teachers? Like you have been experiencing with Miss Evie, Miss Dita, Miss Rere. Miss siapa lagi ya? Udah ya, only three ya. Miss Dita, Miss Evie, Miss Rere. And what about the teachers? What do you think about the teachers?
Hmm, nice.
Hmm.
And apa ya?
Mm-hmm.
Um, nice. Apa? Oh, smart.
Mm-hmm.
And 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 apa?
Mm-hmm.
Belajar lah. Nice and
It's okay, just say
and
it out.
nice and passion when I don't know the English.
Oh, I see. And patient if you do not know the answers. Yeah, the answers of the English. Okay. And which teacher that are you comfortable enough with?
Uh, Everyone.
All teachers. All teachers, yeah. Doesn't any problem with other teacher, like maybe with Miss Evie, Miss Dita, and Miss Rera is fine?
Fine.
Okay, thank you, Saufa.
Welcome, Miss.
All right. Next, I will ask the oldest one else. The one who have already participating from the previous batch, which is Matthew, I guess. Matthew and
Wait,
Revan, yeah. Yeah, Matthew first. Okay. Yep. Matthew, what do you think about our class and what do you think about the teachers?
I feel comfortable on this class and I can catch all of the matter. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that all means give, I can catch it. And all of the teacher, I like it all. Three of teachers, I like it.
Mm-hmm.
Miss Gita, Miss Evie, and
Miss Rere.
what's the one? Yeah, Miss Harry, I like it all.
Yeah, like Miss Rere is the newest one. Are you comfortable with others teachers too?
I comfortable with all teachers.
With all teachers. Okay. You
Yeah.
didn't have any problem with the others, right? Okay. Thank you, Matthew.
You're welcome.
Okay, the next is Refan. Refan, can you please open your cam? Refan, are you here? Oh, maybe Refan is still in the toilet. Okay, next, I have Aurel. Aurel, can you please open your cam? Okay. Aurel,
Yes,
what is your
Miss.
impressions about English class with PlaySpeak ID and with the teachers? Mm-hmm.
Very exciting
Very exciting.
because can learn with a good and fun teacher.
Mm-hmm. With a good and fun teacher. Who is your favorite teacher of PSID English conversation?
Uh,
Do you have any of the favorite teacher? Like we have Miss Dita, Miss Sylvia, Miss Rere. You can shout out. Which one do you like the most and which one
Miss,
do you feel comfortable with?
Miss Dita.
Me? Is it just because I am asking the questions right now or what?
No.
No. And what about Miss Evie? Miss Evie is your auntie. You know, guys, Aurel is Miss Evie's Miss
Gak
Evie's
mau
niece.
karena galak. Jangan bilang.
And karena galak. Oh my goodness.
Jangan bilang.
Kan galaknya sama kamu doang. Oke, oke, oke. Close it. Oke, thank you, Aurel.
You're welcome, Miss.
Yes. Okay, next I'm gonna ask um Haikal. Haikal and Nazan. Haikal first.
Miss.
Okay. Haikal, what do you think about our English conversation? You have already been participating 2 batches, right? 2 batch kan?
Ulang deh.
Two or
Yes.
3?
Two.
2 ya. Okay. So what do you think about our class?
It's so fun because the game is so fun, yeah.
It's so fun. And then is it really helpful for your school subject?
Yes.
Yes, yeah. And what about the materials that the teachers bring to every session?
But
Fun, yeah?
yeah.
Okay. So what do you think about the teachers? You have been experiencing taught by 3, right? Like Miss Evie juga udah pernah kan, Haikal?
Yeah.
Yes. And what do you think about our teachers?
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
the
What do you think about our teachers? Is it good enough?
yeah.
Yeah, okay. It's good enough. Okay, do you have any of the favorite ones?
Siapa ya?
Ayo. If you could pick only one teacher, so who is your most favorite of all?
All of them.
Oh yeah, all of them. That's the safe answer, Haikal.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And then Nazan.
Welcome.
Nazan is Haikal's what is it, brother, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Nazan. Nazan, are you here?
Yes,
Yes, okay.
Miss.
Nazan, what about your opinion? What about your opinion about
I
our class?
feel happy to join this conversation. What
You enjoy much?
I really enjoy and it's very helpful to review lesson that I
To review the lessons. Yes, like Nazan have been experiencing 2 batches too, which means like the previous ones with more bocil, yeah, with more kids, right, Nazan?
yes, Miss.
Yes, and what about now? What about our batch 5? I think like it's now 5 grade up, I guess. Kayaknya nggak ada deh under 5. Semuanya di atas kelas 5. And what do you think, Nazan, about this class? It's better ya,
Yes,
better than the previous batch. Nggak terlalu berisik, nggak terlalu banyak anak-anak. Okay, thank you, Nazan.
you're welcome, Miss.
Okay, next one we have Rajata. Rajata also have been joining the on English conversation class from batch 3. 3 kali ya Rajata?
Iya, Miss.
Yes, okay. Let's go, Rajata. What do you think about our English conversation class and all the teachers?
I think the class is fun and the teacher is very kind to me, and I really like Monday class because the teacher is very fun.
So you only like the Monday class with Miss Dita only?
Yeah, because Miss Dita is fun.
And what about the other classes?
It's fun too.
Yeah, sometimes it's fun and sometimes like what is it called? Like okay, boring sometimes. Like Miss
Yeah.
Dita also sometimes have the boring sometimes boring time, right, Rajata?
Right,
Yeah,
maybe.
it doesn't mean like the teacher is boring. No, but yeah, maybe you are tired enough from the school activities. That is why you feel
Yeah.
bored. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so who is your favorite teacher of all? Miss Dita, Miss
Miss
Ibi, Miss
Evie and
Rere.
Miss Dita.
Miss Ibi and Miss Dita. Thank you, Rajata.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, next I have the new students from the batch 5. Like all of them are Ali class students, right? We have Zaki, Rifki, Zahra, Quina. I'm gonna ask Zahra first. Zahra,
Yes, Miss.
as the newcomer in the our conversation class, what do you think about PlaySpeak ID conversation class? Are you happy to join our class?
Yes.
Yes. Yesnya kok gitu? Yes. So are you happy or not?
Dikit
Dikit, dikit. Okay. So what is your struggle?
Dikit
What is your struggle of joining our conversation class? Struggle-nya apa? Ngantuk kah? Bosen kah?
Tired.
Capek? Tired?
Yes.
Oh, tired. Tired of the activities at school ya?
Yes.
Yes. And what about our materials? Kalau materinya, it's fine for you?
Yes, fine.
It's fine. And then is it helpful for your school subject?
Yes.
Yeah, it's helpful enough. Okay. Thank you, Zahra.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, next Rifki. Rifki langsung, aduh. Okay. Rifki, what do you think about our class?
Good.
Good. Okay. Is it helpful for you?
Yes.
Okay. Straight to the point. So who is your favorite teacher of all?
What, Miss?
Who is your favorite teacher?
Miss Dita.
Miss Dita. Because you have never been experiencing with Miss Ivy, right? Belum pernah ya?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Maybe in the next batch, Miss Ivy will come back again. Maybe, I don't know yet. It's just a hope, you know. It's just a hope that Miss Ivy will come back again to our conversation class. So you can experience with Miss Ivy's class too. Miss Ivy is also fun. Okay, Rifki, thank you.
Miss.
Okay, Zaki.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Zaki, what do you think about our class and what do you think about the teachers?
The first is very fun and the teacher is good.
Fun and good, yeah. Okay, and then do you have any struggles during our class, during joining our class?
Yes, I'm
What is
tired.
it? Tired.
Tired.
And then apa lagi? Hungry. Jam makan ya. And then?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay. Is it boring sometimes?
Yes.
Yes, yeah, sometimes it's boring. Okay, thank you, Zaki. By the way, who is the teacher that are you comfortable enough with?
Miss.
Who is the teacher that are you comfortable enough with? I'm comfortable with Miss siapa?
Memang lapar.
Lapar? Who's that? Matthew. Ayo, Zaki.
Nggak tahu, Miss.
So you like all of the teachers, yeah? Miss Dita and Miss Tere is fine, right? Okay, thank you, Zaki. Next is Quina. Quina. Okay, Quina, what do you think about our class? Was it fun?
Funny.
Funny. What is funny? Funny. It's a funny class. It's a fun class. Yes. And the teachers sometimes are funny, right? Yes, sometimes are funny. Okay. So do you have any struggles during our class? Ada yang susah nggak?
All.
All the materials is hard for you?
Yes.
But you understand what the teacher says, right? Ngerti kan? When the teacher speaks in fully English, just a little. How many percent? Like 10 to 100? How many percent do you understand when Miss Tita speak in English? 60? 80?
80.
80 ya, 80, that means that is really good. I mean, like, that's not under 80. So, 80% that means you clearly understand about what the teacher says, but you do not know how to answer in English. Kamu belum bisa jawabnya ya in English. Yes, okay, that's fine. Thank you, Aquina. Okay, is there someone else that is not mentioned yet? Revan.
Yeah, Miss.
Yes, Revan, what do you think about our class? You have been joining for three batch, I guess. 3 kali ya?
Yeah, Miss.
So what do you think about our class?
So fun and I happy, Miss.
You're happy,
Yeah, Miss.
even though you are tired of the basketball things, and then you're tired about the class, like your school, and you're still excited to join the conversation class by Speak ID?
So excited.
Very excited. So, what do you think about the teachers? Like Miss Evie, Miss Dita, you have been experiencing all of them, right? And with the newest one, Miss Rere too. What do you think about the teachers? Is it good enough?
Yes, good enough.
Good enough. If someday, ini baru angan-angan ya, if someday there will be like a new teacher again coming soon, for example, would you like to know about the new teacher?
Mm,
Misalnya, baru misalnya loh. Misalnya ada guru baru. Would you like to know her? Mau nggak?
mau, Miss.
Oh, mau. Okay. Good, Revan. So, who is your favorite teacher of all from
Ayo, Miss.
Playspeak ID?
Mm, Miss Dita and Miss Evie.
Miss Dita and Miss Sivi. And then, are you also hoping for the what is it? The male teachers? Mau nggak kalau ada guru cowok, male teachers?
Mau banget, Miss.
Mau banget ya. And what about Rajata, Rifki, Zaki, Nazan, Haikal? What do you think about the male teachers? Mau nggak? Rajata, Rifki, Zaki, Nazan, Haikal. Do you wanna be taught by the male teachers? Mau nggak kalau diajarin sama guru cowok? Male teachers.
Mau.
Mau, Rifki?
Mau.
Zaki mau.
Aku mau.
Oke. Rajata mau. Rifki mau. Rajata mau nggak?
No, Miss.
Mau ya. Oke. So later Miss Tita will take a notes about your opinion. Misalnya nanti kalau misalkan ada male teachers, ya hopefully it's going to be really soon. Nanti kita cari jadwalnya. Oke? Okay, so today is our last day of the batch 5. Thank you guys so much for participating in our conversation. Like it's already been the 8th session, and we are also keep going on the next session, next batch again. And I'm just going to open the new registration. And please, for the one who wants still learning with Miss Evie, Miss Dita, or Miss Rere, please join or maybe like have your name in the list. Okay? Nanti boleh ngelis namanya lagi. So, today we are just going to discuss about something fun. Do you guys know what kind of the October months related for? Do you guys?
Rainy.
Many? What is it?
Rainy, Miss.
Oh,
Hujan.
rainy. I'm sorry, rainy. Okay, rainy sessions. And what about the other one? Kata Saufa, rainy season. And what about the other ones? Do you guys know what is October related for? Oktober tuh relatednya sama apa ya? What
Summer
event?
season. Summer, Miss.
Summer. Summer?
Yeah.
Are you sure, Revan? Is it summer or already rainy season?
Summer sih.
Oh, because in Miss Tita's area, like in Cilengsi, it's raining a lot. Almost every day it's raining. And sometimes it's hot, see, sometimes it's hot. When it is not raining, so the weather is really hot, like 32 or maybe 34 degrees every day. Okay, but that is not the answer that I wanted. Kira-kira di bulan Oktober itu ada event apa? For example, like in December, we have New Year. Example again, when in August, we have Independence Day. Like the big day of the October. Ada apa ya di Oktober itu?
Batik Day, Batik Day.
Batik Day, okay. Yeah, can be. And what else? What about the tradition? Ini tentang tradisi ya. Tradisinya bukan tradisi Indonesia sih. It's kind of like the international traditions held in October. Do you guys know what is it?
Diwali.
Sumpah Pemuda, Miss.
Revan, what about you? I think like you have already guessed it right. Just say it. Apa?
Kesaktian Pancasila, Miss.
Oh, Kesaktian Pancasila. Okay. Yes, it could
Sumpah
be.
Pemuda, Miss.
Sumpah Pemuda could be. But like Misita said, it's international event. International, and the tradition is from the Western or from the Europe. The tradition comes from European, dari negara Eropa, or dari negara Barat, the Europe or the Western. Do you guys know what is that? Okay, do you need more clue? More clue ya. This is gonna be something creepy or spooky or scary.
Halloween Day, Miss.
That's right. Revan is right. Yes, Halloween. Halloween is relatable in the October 31st. 31 October, in the end of the October. So, today we are just going to have the Halloween discussions. So, do you guys know what is Halloween event? What is Halloween event? Saufa, Rajata, do you know? Okay, Saufa. What do you know about Halloween season? Oh, Halloween season. Halloween event.
Kayak everybody
Wear costume.
wear costume.
Yes, there will be like the party or maybe like the costume party. And everybody will be pretending to be the ghost. Mereka akan berubah menjadi hantu-hantu. For example, someone who wants to wear the costume of the ghost, who wants to get the costume like a zombie, like a mummy, like a vampire. So that is the Halloween tradition. And do you guys know where is actually the Halloween's from? Kira-kira mereka itu Halloween itu dari mana? Do you
Eropa.
guys? Yes, that's right. It
Europe.
comes from the European countries. Jadi itu bukan tradisi Amerika pertamanya. Pertamanya itu dari Eropa, which is Irlandia, I guess, kayaknya dari Irlandia. And then turunlah ke negara barat, baru ke negara timur. But somehow in Indonesia, we are not celebrating any of the Halloween. Kita nggak merayakan. But sometimes there will be like the vibes we can find about the Halloween in the public area. For example, when you come to the mall, sekarang hiasannya udah Halloween, ya kan? When you enter one of the biggest mall, nanti udah dapet apa itu? Kayak ada lantern, pumpkin lantern, you know? Decorationsnya is all about the Halloween. Okay, we're just going to start about it right now. I'm going to share my screen. We're just going to start with this. Do you guys see my screen already?
Yes.
Yes, okay. We are just going to have a game first about trick or trivia, Halloween trivia games. We are just going to have some of the quizzes. the first questions. I'm gonna ask someone here, but the one who cannot answer it rightly, you will have a challenge. This is the challenge. Draw a funny face on your piece of paper and tape it to your forehead. Tempel di jidat. Kalau yang tidak bisa menjawab ya. Okay, so the first person I'm gonna ask to Zaki. Are you ready, Zaki? Just a random person that I'm gonna pick. Zaki, are you there? Zaki.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Zaki. Let's go. Which vegetable is traditionally crafted into a jack-o'-lantern for Halloween? Do you know what kind of vegetable that is traditionally carved? Carved itu yang diukir into jack-o'-lantern for Halloween.
Pumpkin, Miss C.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. What about the others? Is that correct or incorrect?
Apa, Miss?
Is it correct?
Jawabannya?
Yes.
Jawabannya apa?
Okay, Zaki, can you please go circle yang mana? Tomato, potato, pumpkin, cucumber?
Tomato.
Oh, pumpkin. Zaki say pumpkin.
Bener, Miss. Bener.
Yes, that's correct. So, jack-o'-lantern itu adalah sebutan untuk pumpkin yang sudah diukir. Nah, this girl is wearing the jack-o'-lantern costume. Itu namanya jack-o'-lantern. Okay, good job. Thank you, Zaki. Okay, next person. I will ask. Wait. Queena, are you ready, Queena? Are you raising your hand like this?
No.
No. Are you dancing or are you raising your hand?
Dancing.
Oh, dancing. Okay, Queena, can you please guess or maybe you can answer these questions? Bisa nggak? Coba ya. Okay, let's go read it. Which?
Wait. Oh, wait. Wait, Miss. Hmm. Hmm.
Queena, are you ready, Queena?
Yes, Miss.
Yo, ayo, baca.
Which classic monster was created from the body parts, the death, and electricity?
Okay, can you please follow Miss Tita again? Which classic monster
Which classic monster
was created
was created
from the body parts
from the body parts
of the dead
of the dead
and electricity?
and electricity?
Good job. Okay, so do you know what is the classic monster was created from the body parts of the dead and electricity? Monster apakah yang dihidupkan kembali oleh what is it? Electricity? Listrik.
B.
Okay. What is B? Frankenstein. Frankenstein. Can you say it? Queena.
Yes, Miss.
Frankenstein. Can you say it?
Frankenstein.
Okay. Everybody, was that correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Correct. Good job. Have you ever watched the film or the movie about Frankenstein? Pernah nggak nonton filmnya?
Ya.
Yes.
Pernah, Miss, yang kayak zombie-zombie gitu kan?
Yes, yang kayak zombie-zombie, betul. Terus ada lagi yang kucing apa anjing ya? Anjingnya meninggal.
Oh iya.
Anjingnya meninggal, terus dia dihidupkan kembali oleh cahaya listrik. That is Frankenstein. Okay. Thank you so much, Queena. Good job. Next is, siapa yang mau? Raise your hand. Who wants to answer the next questions? Raise your hand. Siapa? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. This is gonna be easy, guys. Go raise your hand by the what is it called? Emoji. Pakai emoji ya. Emoji, raise your hand. Don't search for the answers first. Go raise your hand first. Jangan cari jawabannya dulu. Go raise your hand. Saufa, Rajata. Okay, Zaki. Let's go, Zaki. Zaki seems already know the answer. Okay. Zaki, can you please read the questions first? Read the questions, Zaki. Zaki tadi udah ya?
Udah.
No. Okay, we are just going to change the other one. Jangan Zaki lagi. Okay, who is else that is ready? Siapa lagi yang ready? We still have Haikal, Nazan, Matthew, Revan, Saufa, or maybe Rajata. Raise your hand by the emoji, please. Ayo, nggak ada yang mau jawab. Are you sure? Oh, I know. Everybody is scared of the tricks ya. Takut sama tricksnya.
Iya,
Share
Miss.
interesting or embarrassing experience in the class. Okay, seems nobody is raising the hand, so I'm just going to shout out the name. Rajata, please.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Rajata, can you please read the questions and answer the question?
What do people traditionally wear to scare away evil spirits on Halloween?
Yes. What do people traditionally wear to scare away evil spirits on the Halloweens?
Costumes.
Costumes. That's good. What people traditionally wear to scare away the evil spirit. Okay. Is the costume. It's actually probably can be all of them. We can also wear the mask. We can also wear the capes. We can also wear the costume and even wear the wig. So all of them is right. There is no the options of this answer. Semuanya jawabannya benar. All is correct. Okay?
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, you're welcome, Rajata. Next one. Who wants to answer these questions? Go raise your hand if somebody is ready. Ayo. Does anybody know the answer? Raise your hand, guys. Go raise your hand. Go raise your hand. So far, why are you not actively raising your hand? Revan, do you know the answer, Revan?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, Revan, let's go. Read the questions first.
What is the term used to describe a group of witches?
Yes. What is the term used to describe a group of the witch? Witch itu apa?
Penyihir.
Penyihir. So, ada grupnya, ada gengnya, ada namanya. So, what is geng penyihir is called?
Miss, a coven.
Good job, a coven. A coven is the term that is used to describe a group of the witches. Jadi, kelompoknya para penyihir itu disebutnya a coven. Good job. Thank you, Revan.
You're welcome, Miss.
Next, Matthew, are you here?
Yes.
Okay, Matthew, please go read the questions and answer.
What do
children say when they go trick or treat?
Oh, wait, why your voice is very small?
You know,
Can
I'm
you say it
hungry.
louder?
What do children say when they go trick or treating on Halloween night?
Halloween night. Okay. What do children say when they go trick or treating on Halloween
Trick or
night?
treat.
Trick or treats. Good job. Trick or treats. And then they will get the candy. Thank you, Matthew.
You're welcome. Miss.
Okay, the next one. Oh my God, this is so cute. The fairy is so cute. Who wants to answer this question now? Zahra, maybe? Let's go, Zahra.
Miss.
What do people
What do people see
typically?
typically carve into pumpkins for Halloween?
Okay. What do people typically carve into pumpkins for Halloween? Mhm. Biasanya pumpkinnya itu diukir berbentuk apa? Faces, numbers, symbol, or letters?
Face.
Faces. Okay, is that correct answer, everybody? Is it correct, Saufa, Rajata?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, yeah, correct. Good job. Thank you, Zahra. Okay, next one. Here is the classic Halloween characters. Do you guys know what are the characters of the Halloween?
Zombie.
Terus apa lagi?
Frankenstein.
Frankenstein, and then
Mummy.
vampire,
Dracula. Vampir.
Dracula, mummy. This one is the mummy. What else?
Vampir.
Vampire, udah. Terus apa lagi?
Witch. Pocong.
Witch, good job. Dracula. And sometimes bat sih. Ada juga kan orang yang pakai kostum kelelawar.
Batman.
Yes, the bat. Okay, we're going to see what are the characters of the classic Halloween. Kira-kira apa aja? Every year on October 31st, children and adults dress up as their favorite Halloween characters, such as witches, zombie, and ghosts. But have you ever wondered where these classic characters come from? Let's take a spooky journey into their origins and discover why they are so important to Halloween. Let's take a look the first one. Can you please read, Saufa?
Witches. The idea of witches dates back thousands of years and come from many cultures. Often they are pictured as old women with pointy hats who ride on broomsticks. Historically, witches were believed to have magical power. Some were even blamed for bad things happening in a community. Today, witches are fun part of Halloween, casting spells with candy rather than real magic.
Yeah, so witches atau penyihir is the idea of the witches that back thousands of years, dari ribuan tahun yang lalu, and comes from many cultures. Dia datang dari banyak budaya. So from many cultures. Often they are pictured as the old women. Biasanya dia berbentuk cewek tua, wanita tua, with the pointy hat dengan topi yang runcing. Who ride on the broomstick, yang terbang pakai sapu terbang. And historically, witches were believed to have magical powers. Biasanya dia dipercaya memiliki magic powers. Some were even blamed for the bad things happening in the community. Biasanya akan membawa kesialan. Today, witches are so fun, a part of the Halloween, casting spells. Spells itu apa? Spells itu adalah mantra with candy rather than the real magic. Tapi sekarang itu tidak ada mantranya, tapi lebih ke fun things or the candy rather than the real magic. Okay. Thank you, Sofa.
You're welcome.
Next, please read by Haikal. Haikal, are you here? Okay, maybe Haikal is going somewhere. Rifki, are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let's go, Rifki. Please read the spider one.
Spider are often with Halloween because they're creepy. That many fair in
Folklore,
folklore they have been she has omens and symbols of
mm,
faith. For example, the the Greek mythology
mythology,
a
a
woman
woman named
named
Arachne
Arachne was turned
turned into
into spider
spider for her
for
arrogance.
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 Oke, jadi spiders itu ada historinya. Kenapa dia dijadikan karakter of the Halloween? Spiders are often associated with the Halloween because they are creepy crawlers that many fears. Jadi banyak orang yang takut sama spider karena dia merayap di tembok misalnya, atau dia hanging on the roof, dia bergantungan di atap-atap gitu. And so many people fear about the spiders. In folklore, folklore itu kayak historical gitu. They have been seen as the omens and symbols of the fate. Fate itu adalah takdir. Jadi spider itu simbol dari takdir atau nasib. For example, in ancient Greek mythology, dari mitologi atau mitologi itu something that is not a fact, I guess. Kayak sesuatu cerita yang tidak nyata. A woman named Arachne was turned into a spider for her arrogance. Jadi ada wanita yang bernama Arachne berubah menjadi spider untuk menjadi arrogance. Arrogance itu berarti orang yang kayak galak gitu. Atau orang yang sombong, orang yang jahat for her arrogance. Gitu. Thank you, Rifki. Next is, please read by Revan.
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, Revan, let's go read it. Ghost.
Ghosts. Ghosts are one of the oldest Halloween characters. Greek culture has story of spirits or souls that remain after someone has passed away. Sometimes this ghosts friendly, and sometimes they are not. Ghosts are often used to explain mysterious events. They've been a part of literature and
Movies.
for a long
Time. Okay, so ghost is basically artinya adalah hantu. Ghost itu artinya hantu. Ghosts are one of the oldest of all Halloween karakter. Dia adalah karakter yang paling tua karena di mana-mana sudah ada hantu gitu ya. Like
yeah.
almost every culture has stories of the spirit or soul that remain after someone has passed away. Orang-orang yang udah meninggal itu pasti disebutnya ghost. And sometimes these ghosts are friendly. Pernah tahu nggak yang namanya Casper? Casper the Ghost. Yes ya,
Pernah
Casper
dengar
is
tapi
one.
lupa.
Casper itu bentuknya kayak gini, kayak hantu yang putih kayak gitu. But Casper is one of the friendly ghosts. Dia itu hantu yang ramah, hantu yang baik gitu. But sometimes there are also some of the ghosts that is bad. Ada juga yang jahat. Ghosts are often used to explain mysterious events, and they have been a part of the literatures and movies for a long time. Jadi Ghost itu adalah karakter tertua di Halloween's karakter. Thank you, Revan. Next, vampires. Please read by siapa yang mau? Haikal, Nazan, Aurel, Rajata, Wina. Ayo. Nazan, are you here, Nazan? Nazan, are you still here? Oh, Nazan and Haikal are asleep, I guess.
I'm
Okay.
here, Miss.
Oh, Haikal is here. Okay, Haikal, let's go.
Vampires. Vampires are classic Halloween character known for drinking the blood of the living. They are often depicted with sharp fangs and an aversion to sunlight.
Hmm.
Legend of vampire have been around for centuries,
Mm-mm.
and they are popular in stories, movie, and show. Sometimes as scary villains or mysterious, charming figures.
Okay, vampires. Vampires are classic Halloween characters known for drinking the blood of the living. Jadi katanya vampires itu meminum darah untuk kehidupannya dia. Supaya apa? Supaya tidak mati, supaya dia abadi. Itu adalah cerita dari vampire. And they are often dip, what is it called? Depicted? Oh, digambarkan. Depicted means like digambarkan with the sharp fangs, dengan taring yang tajam,
Okay.
and the aversions of the sunlight. Dan dia juga takut dengan cahaya matahari. The legends of the vampires have been around for the centuries.
Thanks.
Yaitu sudah ada dari ribuan tahun yang lalu, atau centuries itu adalah abad. Dari beberapa abad yang lalu. And they are popular in stories, movies, shows, and sometimes as a scary villains, villains or mysterious charming figures. Pernah tahu film Twilight? Have you ever known about the Twilight movie? Ada yang tahu nggak film vampir Twilight? No ya. Maybe your mom know about the Twilight movie. So yeah, the vampires is also one of the popular stories in the movie. Good. Thank you, Revan. Is it Revan before? Siapa yang tadi yang baca? Oh,
Not me,
Haikal ya.
Miss.
Oh ya, thank you, Haikal.
Oh,
Yes.
terima kasih.
All right. Next one, skeletons. Please read by Aurel. Are you here? Aurel? Aurel. Oh, Aurel is not here. Quina. Okay, let's go, Quina. Skeleton.
Skeletons are another Halloween
Staple.
staple. In many
Cultures.
cultures,
Cultures
they
represent
represent death and the passion of
passage of
time
time.
in Mexico.
During
During Day of the Dead, skeleton are
celebrated
celebrated and not as scared at all.
Oh, I see. So, skeleton itu artinya adalah apa ya? What is it? Tulang-tulang? Wait. Miss Teta jadi loading. What is skeletons in Indonesia?
Tengkorak.
Tulang apa? Tengkorak. Yes. Oh my goodness. Sometimes it's really hard for me to translate. Skeleton is tengkorak. So skeletons are another Halloween staple. In many cultures, they are represented as the deaths and the passage of the time. Jadi dia itu simbol dari kematian. In the Mexico, during the Day of the Dead, di Meksiko itu ada perayaan orang meninggal, where the skeletons are celebrated and not seen as scary at all. Jadi di sana itu kalau ada peringatan tentang orang mati, semuanya menggunakan kostum dari skeleton, and even the real skeleton itself will be showing. Jadi kadang juga ditunjukkan the real skeleton one, dan it's not even scary at all. Mereka tidak takut sama skeleton or the deaths of the body gitu. Only in Mexico. If you know film Coco, tahu nggak Coco Disney? Nah, Disney Coco is also one of the skeletons movie. Di situ juga ada perayaan orang meninggal. Nah, that's why they are not really scary at all. Tidak terlihat seram. Okay, next one. Please read by Zahra. Mummies.
Mummies are originating from ancient
Egypt.
Egypt. Mummies are bodies that have been preserved through a special process.
Hmm.
In movies, mummies are often shown as creatures that come to life and cause havoc.
Hmm.
However, in 18,
However, in Egyptian
culture,
culture
mummification was a respectful
way.
to prepare someone
Mhm.
for the afterlife.
Oke, so mummies originating from ancient Egypt. Jadi dia itu dari Mesir kuno. Oke, dari Mesir, mummies are bodies that have been preserved through a special process. Jadi mummies itu adalah badan manusia yang diproses gitulah ya. In the movies, mummies are often shown as the creatures that come to life yang datang ke dalam kehidupan manusia and cause the havoc. What is havoc? Havoc itu adalah kekacauan. Jadi kalau mummies datang atau mumi-mumi ini datang ke bumi akan membuat kekacauan. However, tetapi in Egyptian culture, mummification was a respectful way to prepare someone for the afterlife. Ini adalah tradisi untuk memperingati atau respectful, menghargai orang-orang yang sudah meninggal, gitu, for the afterlife, untuk kehidupan yang sudah berbeda, gitu, kehidupan selanjutnya. Thank you, Zahra. Next, zombie. Please read by Rajata. Rajata, are you still here?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, let's go, Rajata. Read.
Zombies are another popular Halloween character. The idea of zombie comes from old tales about the dead running to life. In many stories, zombies are portrayed as mindless creatures driven to find food. The concept of zombies is used to explore themes of survival and fear. Although they are usually shown as scary, some stories zombie is a funny or less threatening way, making them fairly zombie in character in Halloween tradition.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay. Wait a moment. Alright, zombies are another popular Halloween character. The idea of zombies come from the old tales, dari cerita-cerita dongeng, from the tales about the dead returning to life, tentang orang-orang yang sudah mati dan datang lagi ke dunia, ke kehidupan manusia. In many stories, zombies are portrayed as the mindless creatures driven to find food. Jadi dia itu biasanya diartikan zombie itu sebagai the hunger ghost atau hantu-hantu yang lapar. The concept of the zombie is used to explore the themes of the survival and fear. Survival itu artinya what is it? Survival, bertahan, yes, bertahan hidup, and the fear, dan ketakutan. Although they are usually shown as the scary, walaupun mereka terlihat seram, some stories features zombie in the funny or less frightening way. Jadi zombie juga bisa jadi sesuatu karakter yang lucu gitu, and less frightening way, dan tidak menyeramkan sama sekali. Making them versatile atau yang multifungsi characters in the Halloween traditions gitu. And sometimes the zombies are green. Everything's green. Green itu kenapa? Karena the dead body of the people yang udah meninggal itu kan akan membusuk dan itu akan menjadi green gitu. That's why zombie is identically with the green color. Okay. Next. Is there anything else? Wait. Okay. Oh yeah, it's done. Yes. Zombie is the last character of the Halloween. Okay, so now we're just going to play a game. We are just going to have this game for the last activity for tonight. Okay, the game is called Escape from the Haunted House. Apa itu artinya escape from the haunted house? Mencari jalan keluar atau kabur.
Dari rumah hantu.
Kabur dari rumah hantu. So, for example, maybe we are trapped in the haunted house. Kita semua terjebak di dalam rumah berhantu and we are just going to find out the way out. Kita mau cari jalan keluar. And how to make it? We are just going to solve some of the quizzes. Ada quiz-quiznya. So, we have just going to solve all the quizzes. Okay, we start it. Where are we? Can you please help me to read? Siapa ya yang belum ya? Nazan, are you here, Nazan? Or maybe Nazan is asleep? Oh, Nazan is here, still here. Okay, Nazan, please open your mic. I know you are still here. Nazan.
Where are we?
Yes.
You are trick-or-treating with your friends and Halloween and you decide to visit the spooky haunted house on the hill.
Hmm.
You slowly pop up the long path and ring the doorbell.
Hmm.
Creaky doors swung open. Without thinking, you creep inside in search of treats. Just then, the door slams shut behind you with a bang.
Hmm.
To open it but found it was locked. You could be locked in the haunted house all night.
Hmm.
The way to escape is with the correct door code. Solve the puzzle in the house to find the clues and reveal the keypad. Code need to open the door.
Oke, benar kan kita terjebak di dalam rumah berhantu. Where are we? We were trick or treating with your friends on the Halloween. Kita lagi main trick or treat sama teman-teman. You decided to visit the spooky haunted house, rumah berhantu, on the hill, di atas bukit. So you slowly walk up to the long path and rang the doorbell. The creaky door swung open. Ada rumah yang pintunya terbuka. Without thinking, tanpa berpikir panjang, you creep inside in search of the treat. Dalam mencari treats. Oke, dalam mencari treats. Just then, the door slammed shut behind you with a bang. Jadi tiba-tiba pas kamu masuk, pintunya tertutup rapat. Dar gitu. You try to open it but found out it was locked dan terkunci. You could be locked in the haunted house all night. Kamu akan tinggal di situ semalaman. Oke. The only way to escape is bagaimana caranya untuk keluar dari rumah itu with the correct door code. Jadi ada kode rahasianya. Solve the puzzle in the house to find the clues and refill the keypad. Code needed to open the door. Jadi udah pakai smart lock, I guess. Jadi butuh kode. Okay, so we're just going to solve the puzzle then. The rules is, can you please read this part? Please help Miss Dita to read by Zaki. Are you still here, Zaki? Zaki.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Zaki, let's go. What are the rules?
You can work in small group. Work together to
To solve.
the clues as you find them.
Mm.
Write your answer on a piece of paper.
Mm-hmm.
Solve all clues
Reveal.
to reveal the keypad code.
Okay. Check your answer,
Check your answer with your
teacher,
teacher.
and
Find
find
out
out
if you can escape
the
the haunted
haunted house. Oke, jadi peraturannya adalah you guys have to solve the puzzle. Nanti kita main puzzle and you have to get your paper ready. Boleh di kertas atau boleh juga di chat box kita ya. Chat box di sini to please write about the number. Jadi setiap page itu akan ada number yang kita reveal, yang kita buka. Misalnya page number 1 atau puzzle number 1 itu nomornya yang kebuka nomor 3 misalnya. Berarti kamu tulis 3. Jangan di enter dulu, so you have to complete all the puzzles. Terakhir, in the last sessions baru semuanya enter your answers. Get it? Jadi nanti enternya barengan. Oke, guys? Do you guys understand? Please open your microphone and say yes.
Understand me,
Ah, that's what I wanted. Okay, let's go. The first clue, the creepy clue one. Follow the arrows and answer the questions about the picture to get the first number in the code to escape the haunted house. The first questions. What costume is she wearing? Open your all microphone. Semuanya, open your microphone. What costume is she wearing? Is she wearing the witch costume or zombie costume?
Zombie custom.
Is it zombie?
Which costume?
Revan. Is it zombie? Oke, ini kostum apa? Witch atau zombie? Witch, ya, witch zombie. Oke, can you please go circle with the witch costume? Go circle witch costume. Satu aja. Siapa yang udah? Oke, thank you so far. The next one. What color is the dress? Is it black and orange or black and purple?
Black and purple.
Black and purple.
Okay, because the orange is only the hair ya. Karena yang orange itu cuma rambutnya. Good job. And then, is she wearing a cape?
Yes.
Cape itu apa?
Sayap.
Sayap. Sayap. Oke. Jubah. Cape
Ya.
itu adalah jubah. Kalau sayap itu wings. Oke, good job. Yes, berarti jawabannya adalah number 3. Oke, catat ya. You have to type it in the chat box, tapi jangan di enter dulu. Oke, the next question. The creepy clue 2. Spell out each word, then use the purple letter to spell the hidden words and find the second clue. Yang number 1, what is it spelling about? Number 1 apa?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Oke. Number 2.
Sapu.
Sapu apa in English? Sapu terbang.
Broom.
Broom? Broom apa? Broom?
Flying broom.
No. Broomstick. Broomstick ya. Sapu terbang is broomstick. And then the third one, yang ketiga apa?
Candy.
Candy, oke. Yang keempat?
Cat.
Fourth one?
Cat.
Cat. The fifth?
Monster.
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 Oke. And then wait a moment. Susah nulisnya. Or somebody can you please help me? Karena Miss pakai laptop jadi agak lama. Please siapa
Oke,
ya?
Bu.
Ya, yang bantu
Yes.
Miss kita. Oke, let's go. Please type it. Monster. Oke, Revan, thank you. Because I'm just having the laptop jadi susah. Oke, the next picture. What is it showing?
Vampire.
Vampire, good. Go please type it vampire. Saufa, please help me to write. Oh, Zahra. Thank you, Zahra.
Here.
Keep going, Zahra. Vampire.
Vampire.
Next, who wants to type spider? Ayo, siapa?
Trail.
Okay, go. Revan. And then who wants to type skeleton?
Saya.
Yo, Saufa, let's go. Okay. Good job. Good spelling for the spider. But for the vampire, I need to change this one. Ini kebalik.
Oh, iya deh.
Harusnya R dulu baru E. Yuk. Good job. Skeleton, this is not kind of like skeleton. Salah spellingnya so far. It's supposed to be SK, baru I. Kebalik juga. Not like this. Safa, can you please write it again? It's supposed to be SKE, ske. Yes, skeleton. Nah, good job. And next, you have to find out what is the next code. Lihat yang ungu ya. P, R, A, C, I, S, E. Which one is it?
Raise.
Mhm. Practice. Practice yang mana?
Number
Practice number
number
1 or
five,
number
please.
5?
Number five.
Number?
Five.
Number 5 yang pakai S ya, karena practice ada dua, ada yang pakai C, ada yang pakai S. Good job. Type in the chat box again number 5. Okay. The next clue. Let's go again to the clue number 3. Count the objects, whichever picture is the common in the answer. I'm going to divide you into 5 people yang menjawab. Can you please number 1 do Haikal? Haikal number 1, number 2 Rajata, are you here? Rajata masih di sini nggak? Masih ya? Okay, and then number 3 Rifki, number 4 Zaki, number 5 Matthew. Matthew masih di sini nggak? Is Matthew still here? Okay, still ya. Okay. Haikal number 1, please count the spider. And then number 2 tadi siapa ya? Number 3 is Rifki. Number 4 is Rajata. And number 5 is Matthew. What is number 2 for? Number 2 siapa tadi? Nomor 2 siapa ya? Hah? Who is the number 2? Number 2 belum ada.
Saya.
Oh, Revan. Okay. Let's go. Please count it. Dihitung ya. How many spiders? Haikal, have you already found the answer?
Six.
Oke. Siapa itu yang bilang 6?
Aku.
Oke, can you please write it? Ditulis di ini apa namanya di layar. Which one that is 6? Spider, witches, bats, ghosts, skeleton. Oh, 6 is spider. Okay, good job. Next one.
7, Miss.
Revan, have you already got your answer?
Which 6, Miss?
Okay, 6 witch. And then Rifki 7 bats. Okay, Rajata.
2, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oke, witches-nya juga 6 ya. Rajata, have you got your answer? Matthew? Wait, I think Rajata is not here. I'm going to ask Nazan. Nazan, are you here? Nazan? Okay, Nazan, please replace Rajata. Please count the ghost. How many ghosts are there? And skeleton, Matthew, have you got the answer? Matthew? 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 Are you here? Nazan, have you got the answer? How many ghosts are there? 4, okay. Matthew is not here, so I will ask Zaki. Zaki, please replace Matthew. Please count the skeleton. How many skeleton are there?
4.
4, okay. So, The next clue, count the objects, whichever picture is the most common in the answer. Yang paling banyak adalah clue-nya. Okay? Have you got it? So which one that has most common in the answer? Yang nilainya paling banyak. This is 66744. Okay. Done. Write in your chat box. Okay. Write in your chat box again. The next clue, Miss Ita nggak jawab ya, clue-nya apa. Kalian yang menentukan. Next, read the descriptions and guess who is Ben is. Siapakah si Ben itu? Please read by Saufa. Saufa?
Ben is a 10-year-old boy. He is really excited to wear his vampire costume for Halloween. His costume is black and red with a white shirt underneath. He has short curly black hair and wear glasses. Who is Ben?
Okay, you already got the number ya? Write your number in the chat box. Shh, don't say it. Tulis di chat box. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Based on these descriptions. Tell me when you're done. Udah?
Done.
Okay, done. Next clue. Unscramble the letter to make the Halloween word or phrase. Which word is not in the puzzle? Manakah yang tidak ada di puzzle? What is the number 1 here? Say it. Sebut. What is number 1? Open your microphone so Miss Ita will hear all the answers.
B. Nomor
What is it?
5.
Say it. Say the words.
Yang nomor 5.
Say the words.
Mami.
Mami, okay. Number 2.
Werewolf.
Werewolf. Number 3.
Black cat.
Good. Number 4.
Trick or
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. So which one that is not in the puzzle is the clue, okay? Ini adalah clue selanjutnya. Not in the puzzle. Got it already? Tell me when you're done. Done?
Done.
Done ya. Okay, next one. Do we still have more clue? Okay, masih ada clue 6. What is being described? Okay, what is being described? Clue number 1. I fly at night. Aku terbang di malam hari. Clue number 2. I love dark places. Aku suka yang gelap-gelap. Clue number 3. People think I drink blood. Orang-orang berpikir aku minum darah. Number 4. But I mostly eat insects and fruits. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I mostly eat insects, fruit. Tapi aku biasanya makan serangga dan buah-buahan. Okay? Done? Have you got the answer?
Oh.
Done. Okay. Next, the creepy clue number 7. What is this? Is the spy? Spider. This is S. And then P. And then I. Spy. D-E-R. Spider. And use the fourth letter to find the number you need. Huruf keempat dari spider apa? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You already got the clue? Udah dapat clue-nya? Tell me when you're done. Tell me when you're done. Huruf keempat adalah clue-nya. Have you already got it? Tell me when you're done. Hello, why nobody is answering, Miss Dita? I'm not talking to myself only. Hello. Where is everybody? Hello.
Yes, miss.
Tell me when you're done. Udah belum?
Done.
Done?
Dah.
Okay, good.
Done.
All right, so here is the last clue. Not yet. We still have more clue. Masih ada lagi. Okay, what color are associated with the Halloween? Warna apa yang related to the Halloween? Red, green, and blue? Green, orange, and purple?
Purple.
Green, orange, and purple.
Good. And then, where does Halloween come from?
Ireland, the UK, and France.
Good. Do kids eat more vegetables on the Halloween?
No.
No. So, here is the clue. Done. Catat ya. All done? All done? Say when you're done.
Dan.
Okay, done. Next one. Keep it caught. So, can you please enter the chat box?
Yeah.
Enter the chat box and what is it? Yuk, enter the chat box.
Mau mandi.
Kok nggak ada yang enter? Mana enternya? Kok nggak ada yang jawab?
Tahu deh, dikit-dikit juga.
Halo? Enter your answer. Oh, Saufa. Oke, what about the others? Yang lain mana? Miss tungguin. Haikal, Rifki, Nazan, Matthew, Zahra, Zaki, Revan. What about the others? Please
Sabar nulis.
type your number.
Ya, lima. Terus. Aduh.
Yuk, kita udah lewat waktu nih. Udah lewat 15 menit loh. Okay, that's still the same number. Oh no, it's different number. Revan beda jawabannya. What about the others? Matthew, Zaki. Sudah? Sudah semua
Ya.
jawab Zahra.
3, 5.
Oke, I think Quina nggak jawab ya. Zara nggak jawab. Hai, Rifki, Haikal, Nazan, Matthew. Oke. Oh, Zahra. 3, 5, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 6. Okay, the same like Revan. But Saufa got the different answer. Saufa jawabnya 3, 5, 6. Okay, what about the others? What about the others? I'm still waiting for the others. Let's cari tahu dulu yang beda itu di pertanyaan number 3 or clue number 3. Let's take a look. Clue number 3. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Supposed to be 3, right? Okay. Oh, it's showing. It's showing already. Okay, I think like Saufa get the wrong answer. Saufa kayaknya kamu salah ketik deh. Saufa get the wrong answer. Meanwhile, the others are the same. 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 6. Okay, we're just going to enter the code now. Can you please help me, Revan, to please enter the code? Miss kasih kamu remote control. Wait. Where is it? How to get the remote control? Oh, this one. Revan, can you please help me to press the key? Okay, Quina. Let's go.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Tunggu, Miss, tadi apa aja?
Yang ini.
3,
3,
5,
mhm, 5,
3.
3,
Tunggu, Miss. 10.
3, 5, 3, 2, 1.
4,
Yes, 4,
3,
3.
3,
Three.
Mm-hmm. After 1, 4, 3, 6. Yes, that's correct answer. So the correct ones are Revan, Zahra, Zaki. Meanwhile, Saufa kayaknya dia salah ketik deh. Ya, Saufa ya.
Berhasil keluar.
Okay, so we have already escaped from the haunted house. Yay, udah keluar dari rumah berhantu. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for
Yeah.
joining our last session, and I hope I will see you again on the next batch 6. Okay, so see you again next week or the next batch. Bye bye.
Bye, Miss.
Bye bye. Thank you,
Bye-bye,
everybody. Bye.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, Salva. Bye, Rifki. Bye,
Bye,
Haikal.
Miss.
Yes.